Hello, welcome back for lesson number 36. I put a title called Chamfer. This is going to be the last cut for this Superman logo. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and then we will continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We will start to create the chamfer. So we will choose the 2-axis mill chamfer. Create a chamfer, click OK. Select the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Use the middle mouse, click. You need to choose the right outside and then click OK. Diameter 25 chamfering tool, put a diameter 25. Tool number 7, click OK. Right mouse click, edit. We need to update the parameters. G54 for the frame, RPM and feed rate. Use the -1 for the tip depth. Engage and retract is 2 and 0. Change the color and click calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Change the G54 frame. You can see that Z is -3. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us do a solid verify. Looks good. Perform an analysis visual. See any color is other than green to ensure that everything is cut to size. Okay, looks good. We save the file. Yes, we have completed the Superman logo. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click to hide the previous operation. Collapse it. 2-axis mill. Chamfer. Create. OK. Select this one, and we need to tilt the part. This one. Oops. This one and this one. Middle mouse click. Right outside. OK. Diameter 25. D25. Chamfering 2. 25. Here 7. OK. No. Set the frame G54. 500. 100. Nothing change here. This one, tip -1. This is 2. 2 as well. Change the color. This one. Calculate. Looks good. Verify. Okay. So G54. We can drag. Or we can use this one to see. Z -3. Looks good. Okay. Okay. Perform a solid verify. Reduce the speed. Play. You cut the inner portion first. Yes, the chamfer looks good. Let us do a option analysis visual. Everything turned green. We have verified the inner portion. The outer looks good. Yes, this is what we want. Close, close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. I have completed the Superman logo. We will start a new part on the next lesson. See you again. Bye bye.